All right, doing unboxing. This is from Renegades. Unfortunately, both ends of the box has blown out, and I can hear bolts and stuff rattling around in it. I don't know if anything's escaped the box. This end is also blown out, so I don't know if anything's missing or not, or I mean, this corner is also blown out. That corner is blown out. I mean, we'll just see what's in here, and I'll have to call Renegade and see what's supposed to be in the box. Anyway, let's get to it. Let's see what all here is supposed to be. Okay, checklist. Uh-oh. Hopefully none of this is hurt. There's a dry belt. Radiator hose, like a J hose. Another radiator hose. I bought the entire kit from them. Plus, I bought their fuel tank system and their fuel cell system with the in-tank pump. I bought their inline thermostat. I bought their cooling system with the entire fan shroud, with the, it's got the NASCAR style radiator with the dual spall fans, and I bought their Kevlar clutch and 2,600 pound pressure plate, and there's stage 2 high torque starter, and well, anyway, we're just gonna unbox it and see what all's here, or if anything's missing, if it's got all the hardware and all that stuff. Get after it. Stuff for the fireplace. This is the overfill canister that mounts under the rail by the tail. Nice piece. I've always liked it. Seems like it's on the wrong side, but we'll find out. Maybe they've changed it from the last kit I bought. This appears to be the Mazir water pump. Nicely packaged, even in the box it's all messed up. Here's the Kevlar clutch. Hopefully it's not hurt. It's saran wrapped, but hopefully being jarred around and shit and stuff didn't hurt it. We'll find out. We'll open that up here in a minute. Fire starter. Off the fire starter. There's a double barrel heater, wood heater in here. Another radiator hose. Here's the one side of their motor mount system. The other side of their motor mount system. high torque starter. It is bubble wrapped and saran wrapped. So it looks like it's probably okay. Some more pieces of their cradle system. It's got bolts wrapped up in it. No, actually that looks like the block. Yeah, hard to tell in saran wrap. That looks like the big mono block for the water outlets on the front of the motor. Back of the motor. This is part of the cradle. Motor mount system. Uh-oh. There's bags of bolts. And they're leaking. There's bolts falling out. So that's not a good sign. Not a good sign at all, because who knows how many of these have left the building or the box. Well, these have left the building or the box. Well, if we're missing hardware, I'll just have to let them know. Yeah, there's all kinds of hardware loose in the bottom of the box. Yeah. So we'll have to see what all's missing. Some stickers for my bolt bin. Some more fodder for the fire. And then the other day I did the adapter plate and flywheel from Kennedy Engineering Performance, but through Renegade. That was part of their kit. Kennedy sent it to me. And then this should be the fuel cell. Custom fuel cell. I requested this with AN fittings, AN6 fittings, instead of the Porsche line fittings, because I'm running stainless braided fuel lines through the entire car. Yep, inline pump by FI Tech. Trimming unit spot for the correct gauge work. Custom built on the back side to fit the Porsche where the top side of the tank used to fit, and the AN6 fitting. Sweet. Looks nice. Yeah. That'll look good in the car. Yep. Maybe put a machine finish, circular finish. Who knows? We may not. Might just give it a dull finish. Make sure nothing else is in the box before we send it to the fire starter. Woohoo! Vacuum stuff. Custom tanks, it's a cap and tank pump assembly. Yep, they're all there. So far, the only thing that may be missing is some bolts and some nuts out of the tore up. Oh, yeah, I see, definitely, because here's pieces, some washers and bolts from where the box was sitting a minute ago. So yeah, definitely going to be missing some bolts and nuts in shipping. But hey, we can live with that. Okay. Okay, here's the Kennedy adapter plate and flywheel. Okay, and then the new Kevlar clutch, the new 2,600-pound aluminum pressure plate and new throwout bearing and starter ring gear And then also Kennedy hardware to go with it. So that'll be the adapter plate and the flywheel clutch stack setup. So yep. And that's for the mounting an LS in it in the 911, guys. So nice stuff, high quality. I've used Kennedy's stuff quite a few times. Anyway, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.